I'm here to tell you that we work with a lot of businesses, and sometimes leads aren't always the answer. And just because we get you more leads or you get more leads on your own doesn't solve other issues within inside your business. Leads don't lead to more revenue. I talk with a lot of business owners that literally say, Adam, I just need more leads and X will change. I will make more money, my business will be better, my employees will be happier, everything is gonna be great. I'm here to tell you that we work with a lot of businesses, and sometimes leads aren't always the answer. And just because we get you more leads or you get more leads on your own doesn't solve other issues within inside your business. We get more leads for a lot of people, and sometimes they still don't know how to answer the phone. They still don't know how to follow up with people. They still don't know how to close deals. They still don't know how to produce on the amount of leads that are actually coming in. So sometimes leads actually just expose, more leads at that, just expose other problems with inside of your business. Of course, more leads will help solve other problems, but they're going to create other ones if you don't understand what's exactly going on in your business. So I'm here to tell you that just because you get more leads does not mean it's going to automatically equate to more revenue. You have to make sure that you're able to take on more leads and you can actually produce more work, and that you can do it effectively and continue to keep the standard which has gotten you this far in business, in order to make sure that your digital marketing or marketing actually pays off and gets you a return on investment. It's not always about the leads, it's about the quality of leads as well. Talking with some companies who have been with other digital marketing companies who have gotten them a lot of leads, but not always does the amount of leads equal the quality of leads, which quality leads turn into actual customers, which is revenue back in your pocket. So don't just focus on the number of leads. I hear so many people just say, I need leads, I need leads, I need leads. It's not always that way. A lot of times you don't need more leads, you need more quality leads. When you get more quality leads, that will equate into more revenue. It's not always the sexy or the shiny object. When I talk to people and I tell them, honestly, hey, things are set up pretty good. You just need to capitalize on the amount of leads that you're getting. You're already getting a lot of leads and you should be closing more revenue. Could likely expose processes and systems that need to be fixed in your sales, in your operations, in your production. So don't just think that if something is going on in your business, or if you're not making the amount of money within your business that you think that you should be, don't just assume that more leads is going to fix those problems. And if it does fix an immediate problem, it could just be a band-aid to a much bigger problem down the line. Of course, if you have everything in place, if you can actually handle more leads, and more leads is what you need, then of course, more leads will equal more revenue. But I'm here to tell you that that always isn't the case. More leads can also create more headaches if you're not ready and you're not able to take on that new influx in business. So make sure when you're talking about scaling and you're talking about the need for more leads, make sure that you can actually handle the influx in new leads before you turn on or increase any form of marketing and advertising. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.